Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change language in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to settings, then go to general management. Go to general management and here select language and click on add language. Select any language of your choice. Here I select Tamil, and if you click on keep current, it will be listed under English. If you click on set as default, it will be directly applied. Okay, I click on keep current and it is listed under English. Okay, suppose if you want to activate Tamil, what you have to do is click on this Tamil and click on apply, and it is now activated. Okay, suppose if you want to reactivate English, again click on English here and click on activate, it will be activated. Suppose if you want to add more language, click on add language here and include another language from here. Okay, I have selected this one, and if you click on set as default, it will be directly applied. That is, it will directly go to the first position and it will be applied. Okay, now I change back to English, and yes. If you would like to add more language, click on add language again and choose another one, and I click on keep current. In this similar way, you can add more language to your list. Okay. If you would like to remove languages from the list that you have added, click on edit button here and select the languages to be removed and click on delete option and click on remove. Okay. So in this way, you can easily change to any language in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.